Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be showing you the Sunskin Stilo. The Stilo is a high quality, all-round tattoo pen that could be used for lining, shading and colour packing. So let's see what it has to offer. As you can see, the Stilo comes with a 1.9 meter long angled RCA cord and 3 interchangeable autoclavable grips, 2 aluminium and 1 steel. The grips have different sizes and shapes, which allows you to choose one that best suits your tattooing style. The machine itself is made from a solid aluminium alloy, keeping the weight down to just 130 grams. The titanium mechanism within, in combination with the 6.3 watt German made motor, gives you plenty of power and a nice and soft yet accurate hit. This rotary is compatible with all major cartridge brands and offers needle depth adjustment up to 4.3mm. The pen also has a 4mm stroke length and is great for a range of tattooing styles, whether it be lining, shading or colour packing. Sunskin Stilo pen is a very comfortable machine to work with, thanks to its little vibration and silent operation. We recommend you to run your machine between 5 and 13 volts for optimal performance. Made in Italy, the Sunskin Stilo is a brilliant pen style rotary from a company that has over 20 years experience in the manufacture of high quality tattoo machines. This machine is available in 2 colours, satin grey and pearly pink. You can order yours from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the Sunskin Stilo? Will you be trying out this pen style tattoo machine? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.